In this podcast episode, Dr. Ellen Langer, a Harvard psychology professor and author of several books on mindfulness, challenges the traditional dichotomy between mind and body. She argues that most of the deterioration we experience is a result of our mindlessness, as we live our lives on autopilot, not fully present in the moment. Langer's research on the mind-body connection shows that mental attitude can reverse the effects of aging and impact overall health. Dr. Langer emphasizes that most of us live mindlessly, not fully aware of our thoughts and actions. She believes that if we could wake up and become more mindful, our lives would be drastically different. By paying attention to the present moment and noticing new things, we can become more mindful and in control of our lives. Dr. Langer highlights the power of language in shaping our beliefs and perceptions. She gives examples of how the language used in medical diagnoses, such as in remission versus cured, can influence a person's mindset and sense of control over their health. By reframing language and focusing on variability and uncertainty, individuals can feel empowered and hopeful about their health outcomes. Dr. Langer's studies on attention to symptom variability show that being mindful of changes in symptoms can lead to better health outcomes. By noticing when symptoms improve or worsen and questioning why, individuals can feel more in control of their health and well-being. This practice of mindfulness can also lead to increased energy and overall improvement in various aspects of life. Dr. Langer challenges the illusion of control that many people hold, suggesting that we often overestimate our ability to predict and influence external events. She encourages individuals to embrace uncertainty and variability, recognizing that everything is constantly changing and evolving. By letting go of the need for absolute control, we can adapt to new situations and make more informed decisions. She highlights the importance of transcending judgments and getting to a place of understanding in order to foster better relationships. Dr. Langer discusses the scarcity mindset and how it can lead to feelings of competition, comparison, and control. She explains that the belief in scarcity can limit our ability to see abundance and possibilities in our lives. By practicing mindfulness and recognizing that the things we care about are not limited, we can shift towards a more abundant mindset and experience greater fulfillment. Dr. Langer shares insights from her counterclockwise study, which explored the mind-body connection in aging. The study involved retrofitting a retreat to seem 20 years earlier for older men, leading to improvements in vision, hearing, memory, strength, and overall well-being. This study highlights the impact of mindset on physical health and challenges the traditional beliefs about aging. Dr. Langer discusses studies that demonstrate how perception influences physical outcomes. In one study with diabetics, participants' blood sugar levels followed their perceived time rather than real time. This highlights the power of mindset in shaping physiological responses. Similarly, studies on fatigue and exercise show that framing activities as fun and enjoyable can lead to positive health outcomes. In the chambermaid study, Dr. Langer explores the concept of mindset in relation to exercise. By teaching chambermaids to see their work as exercise, they experienced improvements in weight, body mass index, and blood pressure. This study underscores the impact of perception on physical health and the importance of reframing activities to align with positive beliefs. Dr. Langer explores how mindfulness can be contagious, as individuals who exude mindfulness and positivity can influence others around them. She discusses studies where participants performed better in tasks after interacting with mindful individuals, underscoring the impact of positive energy on overall well-being. By cultivating a mindful presence, individuals can create a supportive and empowering environment for themselves and those around them. Dr. Langer delves into the concept of sensitivity and its influence on behavior, citing examples of individuals who may turn to alcohol or drugs as a coping mechanism for heightened sensitivity. She suggests that sensitivity to others' consciousness can lead to certain behaviors, such as excessive drinking, as a way to manage stress and anxiety. By understanding the underlying reasons for such behaviors, individuals can address the root causes and make positive changes in their lives. Dr. Langer envisions a world where institutions, such as hospitals and schools, are reimagined to promote mindfulness and well-being. She discusses the need for hospitals to create a more spa-like environment that reduces stress and anxiety for patients and staff. Similarly, she advocates for a mindful approach to education, where schools focus on individual strengths and foster creativity and innovation. By transforming these institutions, individuals can experience a more supportive and empowering environment that promotes overall well-being. Dr. Langer reflects on the current state of consciousness and envisions a future where mindfulness and positivity prevail. She discusses the potential impact of AI on society and the opportunities it presents for freeing individuals to pursue creative endeavors. By embracing mindfulness and elevating consciousness, individuals can contribute to a more harmonious and inclusive world where everyone's unique strengths are valued.